How to fix Twitch problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitch problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here type Twitch and then click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click permissions and then check all of those permissions here, and then just allow all of those and go back and then go to draw over other apps and make sure it's disabled, and if you find it like that just disable it. And after that you go to storage and clear cache and then click force stop here and go to data usage and check background data. Maybe you'll find it like that and then enable it, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.